Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is April 29th, 2022. I want to make this video for all of the Axie Infinity holders out there today because look at the chart. The market is in shambles for those who are looking for Axie Infinity to go up. Don't worry about it. I got your back. I'm going to give you all the heads up as to where I'm thinking the price is going to go so that you guys don't have to be nervous, confused, or even question why in the world is the market going down, because I'm giving you all the heads up. So if you guys appreciate my videos, if today's your first time ever clicking on my content, you guys clicked on the right video. I'm here to assist you and show you all that you can actually do this for yourself. If you guys want to join me and learning more, then go ahead and keep it locked. Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel. I also recommend that you tap that bell notification as well, because you do want the system to notify you whenever I upload my videos here, because every video that I create is another opportunity for you all to learn and see how this is being done. So check this out. Before I get started as to where I think the market in Axie Infinity is going to go next, I want to show you that I did a video in Axie Infinity all the way back here on April the 6th. So here it is. It's almost been about a month or so, and I told you all at that particular moment in time to look for the market in Axie Infinity to go down, and needless to say, you guys can see it. It went down 26.12%, right? The expectation at that particular moment on April the 6th was to see if the buyers was going to come in and step in and prop up price in Axie Infinity around 44. They didn't do it. That is the problem. This is why I'm doing the video, to give all of the Axie Infinity holders a heads up as to this may not be over to see the price continue to go down. So now, let me go ahead and get rid of this. I want to say congratulations to everybody else who predicted the same thing, because you actually get in the gist of how this market is really working. I don't come through and try to confuse people. I don't come in and try to place technical indicators on my chart. I don't try to come in and show you all articles about what's upcoming into the Axie Infinity space, because the ultimate decider factor as to where price is ultimately going to go is by what you and I do, whether we're buying, whether we're selling. All right, so congratulations to those who got that 26% out the market. Also want to show you, look where we've been, okay? The market in Axie Infinity hit a high price right here on November the 6th, 2021, $166.09. Since that time, the market value in Axie Infinity has lost 78.5% since November, just a couple of months ago. This is why I want everyone to be paying attention that this market dynamic is being altered. Don't follow people who tells you to come in and continue to buy these markets, buy these cryptocurrencies when it's completely falling off a cliff. The trend in Axie Infinity is broken. The one that was really trending to the upside, this one, is broken. So now the market is trying to find an area of support. It's trying to find a support level that the buyer is going to control, and they haven't found it yet. So this market is emphatically in a downtrend. So don't listen to anybody that tries to tell you that the market in Axie Infinity is a bullish cryptocurrency, because it's not. Price telling us that this is not a bullish cryptocurrency at all. We are creating right now. I'm going to show you all areas of restriction into the market in Axie Infinity. This is the downtrend, and as long as this price stays below this downtrending line that I've just created, we know that the overall environment is weak. Now, it doesn't mean that we're not going to see price go up, because yes, we can see price go up in Axie Infinity, but the trend, the momentum is to the downside. Just look. And until we see this market in Axie Infinity break this downtrending line outside of it, then we need to follow the same notion that the sellers are winning. The sellers are beating out the buyers, just that simple. There's no interest, there's no demand. The people don't value Axie Infinity at these current prices. That is why price continues to fall until we find buyers. Now, these two lines I'm going to utilize as areas to where we can know whether or not the buyers are entering the market or not. Okay, seeing that we broke the price in Axie Infinity below 44, that is going to be seen as an area of restriction. That's where the sellers control that price, because the market broke it to the downside. The buyers couldn't hold it. They was doing a fantastic job of holding the price here, I would say beginning of the year, and they maintained price, the buyers did, of falling below $44, but now they couldn't hold it. It is what it is. So now the market is still weak in Axie Infinity. It's still weak. So now we need to zoom out the chart and try to pinpoint where we can find support, because it may be pretty far. The next level of support outside of where the price currently is into the market in Axie Infinity right now, it's going to be around 30. That's about $5 away. Okay. Look at Axie Infinity on the 5-day. So now check this out. There's a chance, I would say maybe 15-20% chance that the market in Axie Infinity can hold right now where it is and begin to go up in price. But don't forget, $44 is restriction anyway. So if you're looking to buy Axie Infinity, if you see buyers come in right now around 35, you might want to let the play go around 40, because that's the next level that the sellers are controlling. This is an area of support, 23. Okay. All the way down here to like 16. That will be the next area, $16. Let me show you all the weekly time frame in Axie. So look at this. The last 4 weekly price bars, we're not seeing any strength. None at all. 2 weeks. We're not seeing any strength. None at all. And as we continue to go through the price movement over the long term, and we still see all of this weakness come through being exhibited, that still tells we got a long way to go in the long term. 3 weeks. This is why the market in Axie Infinity is going down. It couldn't capitalize off what it did on this 3 weekly price bar. We should have saw the market on this 3-week price bar go up, but it didn't. It closed down. That is why the weakness is still apparent into the market in Axie Infinity. It's just that simple. This is not a bullish market. Look at this on the 5 weeks. Look at this 5 weekly price bar right there. The buyers had the ability to lift price, but they couldn't hold it. This is what that bar represents. And that is why we're seeing the market in Axie go down now. Now, this is a monumentally bearish chart. Look how strong the movement to the downside has been. It looks just like a V shape, does it? We saw the market in Axie Infinity do this back in June of last year. And here we are, the next year, coming right back down. Be careful of those YouTubers who tell you to come in and hold these cryptocurrencies for the long term. This market in Axie Infinity is broken. Look at this on the monthly. We got 1 day and 14 hours left, and this is massively weak. This current April monthly price time bar right here. Now, let me go ahead and show you all the prediction, because I don't want to confuse you. I'm just simply stating that the market in Axie Infinity is weak. So we need to continue to follow what the market is giving us. And I'm going to maintain this weakness until we see price in Axie Infinity break outside of this descending line on strength. It has to be strength. If the market even cracks a little bit above this descending line and we still see price close under it, that's not a strength bar. The market is still reflecting weakness. Okay. Now, I already understand that the market can actually probably lift up from where it is now. But from the long-term perspective, I'm not going to be tricked or fooled. Okay. So I'm going to look for the market in Axie Infinity to come down here to like $30 first. Okay. I'm going to do $30 first. That's going to be my first price target, which gives me around 13.88%. My second one is going to be between 20. And then my third is going to be around like 16. Okay. Let me keep that there. I'm going to get rid of this one here. And we're going to continue to play the weakness into the market in Axie Infinity. I'm going to bring it up here towards 50. If the price in Axie Infinity even trades above 44, and we still don't see the market in Axie Infinity go above 50, we understand that the overall market is still weak. Okay. So now, quick question. What do you all see? What do you all think? I still suspect that the sellers are winning in the market in Axie Infinity. And when they're winning, then we need to be on the winning team. Join me. Give me your price target, your price prediction into the market in Axie Infinity, and let me know where do you think the market is going to go, okay? And that's it. Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.